Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ielts Winner. Hope you are doing fine and staying safe. This is the third cue card from the Makkar final version 2022, and that is describe a time when you organized a happy event successfully. What, where, when, how you organized, and how did you feel or how you were appreciated. So we'll see the template, that how to construct the answers, what are the idioms, synonyms and vocab that can be used in this cue card. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to it so that we can keep you updated, and if you have any ideas or related vocabularies, do comment in the comment section. As a Republic Day, we are offering a bumper offer for writing and speaking evaluations, where you will be joined to the paid WhatsApp group, where every day your one task, one cue card and three questions will be corrected, and each service is just for 500. So writing services 500 and speaking services 500. For 1 month you just need to pay 1000 and get evaluated on daily basis about your task in detailed manner, not only short form but in detailed manner. And also the group will be having the samples and the templates that can help you to boost your writing. So do join and contact on the number given to get added to the WhatsApp groups. Now let's see the sample. So when they're telling describe a time we organized a happy event, the event can be anything. Okay, it can be a party like a marriage function, or it can be a birthday party, or any 1 year party, 2 year party, any party. Or it can be office event. Nowadays there are many events that occur in offices, that is potluck event, where every person has to bring some food and they share and they have the get together. So office event or office outing, and you were given the in charge of that outing, so you can talk about those things. Some social event means that is also a type of event that people are given responsibility for, that in your area a blood donation camp is being organized, and you are given the organizing responsibilities, like make the list, take and everything and all those things. Or when there is a crisis, or any, for now there is pandemic crisis going on, so people are running out of groceries, food or clothes in the winter season. So some of the social working places have organized to distribute these kind of amenities. So you may be given in charge of distributing the food, or given in charge of distributing the clothes. So how you organized, from where you collected, how you processed the form, which transport did you use, which area did you go, and how you connected with the people in doing this event, and what was the feedback, where you appreciated that everything went smoothly, or where people said that some improvement can be done next time, something like that. So you can talk about any event, not only the functions, the parties or the festival functions, but also something apart from your functions, like office event, college event, school event, or even organization of social services. So you can talk about any of these things, just construct a story. Now here the cue card has keywords like organized, okay, successfully and event. Okay, so we have three important keywords in the question. So now we need to have synonyms for all these things. So first we will see for event. So event, what are the other synonyms that you can use in the place of saying I organized an event, I organized a function? You can say I organized a function, I was given a responsibility for the celebrations of the new year, or I was the sole responsible of the affairs that has to be taken on the Republic Day, or I was a person who was set up for the celebrations or the jamboree. Jamboree means a function with dance and lightning and all those things. Bashment, large party or a dance. So any functions that we celebrate on large fests, that has dance, that has food, and it's very lively, you can go for that and you can say bashment. Hoedown, hoedown is again a large party organized or a function that is related to festival or get together, you can say hoedown. Shindig, Shindig is lively party celebrating something. Okay, so it can be a get together of an office, it can be a family function, or it can be any event related to New Year, Republic Day, or Holi, Diwali, and all those kind of things. It cannot be a social service, because social service we usually do with less lightning or all those dance things, and also you cannot use this for social services. Rest of the things you can use them. So these are some of the synonyms that you can use. Instead of saying that I was given the responsibility of organizing an event, you can say all those things. Now moving on to organized. So I was organizing. Instead of that, you can say these kind of words that are marshal. I was marshalling the celebrations of Republic Day. Okay, I was the sole handler to sort out the system of Republic Day. Okay, I was given the responsibility to codify the arrangements of my sister's function. Okay, the concert was my sole responsibility. Okay, the organization, the concert of Republic Day was my sole responsibility, something like that. Okay, systemize. I was given the responsibility to systemize the function of our New Year. Orchestrate. Orchestrate, again the same thing. Look after. I was given the responsibility to look after something, see about. Okay, I was the one who was to see about all the systematic functions related to the New Year, something like this. So you can use all these words instead of saying organizing. Now next, for successful. Successful means well done, good, it was a success. So you can use all these vocabularies and even more. You can search from the Google and you can write it. So after all the things that I went through, finally I took a deep breath when the event was victorious. Okay, or when the jamboree was triumphant, or when the hoedown was fortunate and ended well. So you can use these and these together to form an ending sentence or a starting sentence. Okay, so you could start this cue card by saying something that you are a party lover or you are not a party lover. Okay, so you can say that being a party animal. Whenever we say that I am a party lover of party, then we say party animal, right? We say party animal. So you can say, being a party animal, I love to attend functions as well as organize them or take the responsibility of making them a success in my society or in my home. Something like that you can say. Being something, you love to do something. So I have attended many but I have organized only few, or I have attended many and organized also many because I am an event manager or something like that. Then you can say, today I would like to share about one such shindig or one such bashment that was a victorious one in my life. Okay, you can say like this: today I would like to share about one such bashment which was victorious among all that I have organized, and I would like to share it with you, something like that. And then you will start saying that when you started that event, what was the event, that background you have to say. So my sister's marriage was fixed, or New Year party was there, or a get together, a potluck was initiated in my office, and I was given the responsibility to take care of everything is being smoothly run and no one gets confused or brings the same kind of food. Two people should not bring same kind of food. So I was given the responsibility to sort out and give the cuisines each one according to their religion, according to their capacity and so things. So you have to start with the background. Then what was the event, who and all attended, what was your responsibility, and then how you organized that it led to success. You can also include in between that when you were doing something, something went wrong and then you got panicked, but somehow you managed, and that is how it became successful. So at that moment these idioms will come into play. So you can use these idioms to help you to say that something went wrong, something was going out of your organizing, but somehow you handled, you hold on to it, and then it became a success. So this is making a drama scene Okay, so you can make a dramatic captivating the listener by saying something that is very dramatic. So these idioms will help you to create that dramatic scene. Full of time, that means eventually. Eventually means something went wrong. I kept on telling everyone to bring different kind of food, but suddenly three of my colleagues with the same food and I didn't know how to manage. So fullness of time, in fullness of time, somehow I made some changes and all the three dishes looked separately. So eventually you managed to make it right. So when you want to say eventually at the end kind of word, you can say fullness of time. In the fullness of time, all was well set up. Against the clock, against the clock means you are running out of time. You have lot to do but still you are running out of time, so you can use them. I was racing against the clock to codify the whole hoedown. So you were running against the time, you were in a very hurry to organize the whole party. So as you can see, I have used synonyms: codify, the whole hoedown. Codify, organize the whole hoedown event. Back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board means you have done something but it all got messed up and you had to start again. So you, maybe you created a cake and it fall down, it got completely ruined, so you need to start making it again from the beginning, a new one. So when you want to do, you have done something, it got ruined and you want to start it again, then it is called back to the drawing board. So start something again. To my utter disappointment, due to my carelessness, I had to be back to the drawing board. That means I made a cake, but by unfortunately it fell down, and to my utter disappointment, due to my carelessness, I had to be back to the drawing board. That is back to be making the new cake. Burn the midnight oil. Burn the midnight oil, we all know. Okay, burn the candles from both ends, or burn the midnight oil. Both means that working late into night, working very hard till late night to accomplish something. So in order to put up a majestic jambori, I had to burn the midnight oil. So to put up, in order to organize, put up means organize. In order to organize a majestic event, I had to burn the midnight oil. I had to work till late night. Pencil something in. Pencil something in means make a tentative arrangement. Tentative arrangement means overview and outview. Okay, this and this and this I am going to do in the event to make it a successful. Okay, so pencil something in, just make a layout, outline of what is going to happen in the exam, a list of something that is going to happen in the event. So you can say, for a successful shindig, that is party, for a successful shindig I penciled in some games. So to make the event, make the party successful, I penciled in some games. I made a list of some games that will boost the energy. So these are some of the ways in which you can write, you can make your speaking. Use these idioms, use these synonyms, and it will be very interactive and dramatic as well. So it's all about how well you use this and make your answer quite interesting, because the intonation varies a lot. Any other ideas that you get, please comment in the comment section so that more and more people can gather ideas and speak in a better way. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.